Aloha, everybody. I'm Cheryl Hamilton from Create With Cheryl, and I have just opened a Sale-a-Bration item. You can get these items by spending $60 or more, and you get a free stack of design series papers, stamp sets, things like that. And I decided to get the Rainbow Celebration Kit. Now this is really, really cute on its own and goes together quickly. You can see all the little rainbow shaped cards, and they're really fun and everything like that. But I wanted to try to make an alternate, and I've already opened it and I just figured out what I want to do. So I wanted to show you before I put it together. It comes with 3 different types of cards. These it? No, that's the same. You can see these 3 here, and you're gonna has lots of fun, the sentiments, and then these are really pretty little punch out things that you can probably pop up over the rainbows. Let me see. So like if you wanted to, you could put one right there and pop it up a bit and stuff. So there's lots of things you can do. And what else does it have? Oh, it has clouds to put on the bottom probably. I can tell I haven't thought this through yet, but I'm excited. It's going to be a good idea. So let's say we do this and do a cloud that we pop up and then put, cheers or whatever you want across it. Okay, so that's a fun card, but I'm going to make it into something different, okay? So I've decided, I just saw my grandkids in Texas, missed them already. It was really fun over Christmas, and so I decided I'm going to make like an accordion card where they can set it up on the mantle or on a shelf, and they have like a mini album. Okay, so I'm thinking to put these together, I'll do this and put them like this, and in between, and they'll kind of be like an accordion style, folded like that. And to put them together, I've cut out a little piece of white that is 1.5 by 1 inch, and then I scored down the middle at 1/2 inch. So let's just see. I'll figure out the folding later, but right now I'll just crease it, but I don't know which way it's going to end up folding. So I'm putting a little glue on there. I'm going to stick this right next to the edge. And same with this. So that's hidden. So the back part's not going to look that great, but it doesn't matter, so you have a few seconds to line it up perfectly. Let me see if I can hold it and get it to where the bottom is straight. Yeah. So you can see how I'm going to do a bunch of these. Oh, and this will be pictures of the grandkids or something like that. I could put, these fun stickers on them and maybe do their names, or maybe leave some stuff for them to decorate. That'd be fun. Okay, so let me play around with this and I'll come back and show you what I've come up with. Well, I'm back and I finished this mini album or accordion card. I don't know what to call it. I made it really simple. It's just for fun, and I think I'm probably going to keep it for myself for a month or so just to enjoy it, and then I'll send it off to my grandkids. But there's lots of ways you could have done it, but I just did it very simply. The back is just very plain. If you wanted it on front and back, you could have use 3 cards for front and just put 3 cards on the back, and it would have worked the same way. I think I said in the first part of the video that you have these little strips that are holding it together right here. Okay, so those are all over, but look, so you spread it all out, and it's just going to be like accordion style, like this, sitting on on their table in front of the TV, I think. So they'll be able to thumb through the pictures. And there's no way to show you this nicely. I don't know how. So I'm just going to thumb through. There's me, and this was me trying to get the perfect picture, Christmas picture. And there just isn't such a thing with the grandkids. So I decided this is just great. It kind of sums it up. And then in between each one, this was the front of the cards, and I just decorated them for fun, you know, and I did use some Wink of Stella on some of them, and just the rest were just decorated, just like the cards. Okay, so these are like, the picture part is like the card back. Let me see, this one, I used Garden Meadow dies to cut it out, but the first one I just did freehand. There's another one with Wink of Stella on the clouds, which you can barely see. And this uses Spotlight in Nature, the circle on that. So you can just dig through your stuff, see what you have. But I think this is a fun, really quick album, or, you know, accordion card to do. You could do it for somebody who's retiring and put some fun pictures, or actually just have your coworkers write on these blank sides. That would be really neat. That'd be a fun gift for somebody. Okay, I hope you like this idea. I think it's really fun, and you won't believe how fast it is. So, you know, get ready for Sale-a-Bration. It starts, gosh, tomorrow, the 7th. I'm doing this video on the 6th, but if you need any information about it, or a catalog or anything, please contact me, or your regular Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. But I hope you have lots of fun with all the freebies in Sale-a-Bration. Okay, have a great day. Aloha.